guys, welcome back to my channel Beauties from this side Veronica. So here in Delhi the weather is so good. It's raining since night and cool breeze are here and I'm enjoying it. Totally enjoying it. So beauties, in today's video let's come back to the topic, and in today's video I'm going to tell you about how to grow your hair very silkier, stronger and healthier, how to make your hair healthier, and how to grow your nails long and strong. So beauties, without delaying, let's get started. Beauties, I have received so many comments, so many requests on hair vitamins. People ask me a lot that this hair vitamins really works, are they good for health, and is there going to make my nails strong or long too? So today I'm going to tell you, I'm going to share, and first of all let me tell you, this is not a sponsored video, not at all. This is not a sponsored video, and I'm going to tell you which hair vitamins I'm taking. I'm taking it like from 1 or 2 months, I must say. 1.5 months, I must say. Yeah, I'm taking it from 1.5 months, and these are top gummies. Like you can see, these are top gummies, and I'm eating it, and trust me, it is too good. Trust me, it works amazingly. I bought it from Nika, and the price of this top gummies is rupees 600. If it is going on, so you can buy it for rupees 450 or 500 too. It depends, but I bought it for rupees 600, and these top gummies are too good. These are, trust me, and let me tell you why I choose top gummies. Because this is totally natural. Beauties, this is totally natural, 100% vegetarian, fat-free and real fruit. It contains no gelatin and no gluten. Let me tell you, like, as you all know, I usually do diet food. I am on diet because I have become so chubby too. So for that I opt these top gummies because they are totally gluten free. So if you're on diet, you can easily eat it. It contains no sugar, no gluten, no gelatin, no milk, no soya, no preservatives. This is like 100% natural. Let me read where it is. Yeah, why top gummies? It is also written here, you can see why top gummies. Because it is natural color, there is no like chemical or something like that. It is totally natural, 100% vegetarian, fat free and real fruit. It doesn't contain any milk, preservative, gelatin, soya, nuts, not at all. This is like a dietary supplement, so that's why I choose. Let me tell you about the packaging and everything. It comes in a carton like this. This is like a pink one because I ordered for the strawberry. You can see here I ordered for the strawberry. I just love strawberry flavor, so I ordered it. Hair vitamins with zinc, biotin, vitamin C, E, A and Z. And let me show you. Okay, it is not cheer up because like I'm using it from so long. So it comes in a jar like this. This is 30 gummies in a one jar. So there are 30 gummies in a one jar. Oh my goodness, it feels like a crushed strawberry is inside this. The strawberry flavor is, I am addicted to it. So it comes like this. Okay, you can see there are small packs of this. There are so many packs of it. There's 30 packs, I must say. So we just have to tear it and then eat it. Best thing, beauties, which I found in this top gummies is that this small packing. Can you see them? These are like too good. For example, if you're going out, you don't want to carry this whole jar. What you can do, you can take one day supplement, like one in the morning and the second one in after dinner, or second one in the evening, I must say. These two you can just take them and just put it in your bag and you're good to go. So these are so good. You don't need to carry the whole jar with you. So now this is the another best thing which I found in this top gummies, I think, which is not available in any other gummies or in any other hair vitamin. So this is the best thing which I found. So now guys, let me read some of the ingredients for you. Ingredients are seriously amazing. It contains vitamin B7, which is biotin, vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin A, zinc, sugar is like only 3 gram. Oh my goodness, this is like totally fat free movie. So that's why I just choose top gummies. I have read so many reviews, so many comments on this, so I'm just like, okay, I should go with this top gummies. This is seriously amazing, and I'm recommending you, if you just want to make your hair grow faster, silkier and healthier, just go with this hair vitamins. If you want your nails to grow longer and strong, just go for it, because in our regular diet we are literally unable to eat that balanced diet. We eat anything we just want to, right? So if you're taking this top gummies, it will complete that thing. It will gonna make your hair and nails so good. And one more thing, the most important thing, not only hair and nails, it also make your skin healthy. Many of you always ask me that why your skin is too good. You can see it is like so good. Healthy skin, basically healthy skin. This is because I am taking this and many other things also. I just drink lots of water, 8 glasses of water regularly, and I eat this also, this vitamins, because vitamins helps you a lot in making your skin too good and healthy and glowing too. So now let me tell you guys how you have to eat it. You have to take 2 gummies, one in the morning and one in the evening. Before or after meal, that doesn't matter. You just have to take 2, one in the morning and one in the evening. Do this regularly, just do this religiously, eat them religiously like for 1 month, and trust me, after 1 month you will be like, this truly works. Seriously, truly works. So guys, if you are searching for any hair vitamins and nails, so just go for top gummies. I'm going to share the link of this product in my description box from where I bought it. So just go for it. Try it once. You should try it once in your lifetime, because it will gonna change it. Trust me, it will. So beauties, hope you have liked this video, hope you have enjoyed it. Please subscribe my channel. If you have any requested video, just comment it in the comment section. I'm surely gonna answer you. See you in my next video. Bye and take care.